birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kate. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, here we go.
Yay!
Yay!
Don't get plastered, you bad girl. Happy birthday to you.
I actually kind of like that.
That's what they say up in the Ozarks. That's the country version.
Are bad.
Is this really cake or is that a hat?
Shiny head.
Do we care to rephrase that? I represent that remark.
Yes, you do, and very well.
Yay! Look.